Hey guys, this is Muevlo NYC, and what we have here is a Rexing, basically a motorcycle camera. If you guys know Rexing, you've probably seen them on Amazon and whatnot. They do a lot of dash cams, and they took their dash cam technology and sensors and put it in this interesting form factor. It's like a lipstick or like the size of a lipstick battery charger, and it's got two cameras, one in the back that aims slightly down, and one in the front. And the reason for that is on your helmet, right? You're going to be looking down a bit. So what the brilliant part is that angled in the back, see on the left, is going to face up. So you're going to be not looking at the sky. So they put a lot of thought into mounting this on a helmet. On my helmet right now, I do have the GoPro Session 5. I love these things. They are discontinued, but for the form factor, this thing is pretty damn good. So if this, even if you buy it used, is about 175 to 200, and if you get two of these, you gotta have to mount them in different ways and whatnot. But one unit has both. Also connects Wi-Fi to your cell phone, which is pretty nice, and it came with a Bluetooth remote, which you can mount on your wrist. Really nice. So what we're gonna do, this is not a 360 camera. Basically, it's like you had two different cameras back and forth. This is my Insta360 1R that does all my 360 videos. You can see that this thing is much tinier, but it's pretty damn cool. So let's take a look at some sample videos.